हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं बिगिनर फ्रेंडली कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस को। आपको इंग्लिश के लिए ग्रामर आना ही ज़रूरी नहीं है। आप कन्वर्सेशन सुनकर भी उसे सीख सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें, आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने में मदद होगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हाय, हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन टुडे। व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? माय नेम इज़ एलेक्स। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया। What are you doing now? I am studying English. Are you busy today? No, I am free today. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee very much. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Where do you live? I live in a small city. What do you do? I am a college student. Do you like music? Yes, I like music a lot. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies on weekends. What are you learning? I am learning English speaking. Do you play games? Yes, I play games sometimes. Where are you going? I am going to the market. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading books. Do you like traveling? Yes, I like traveling a lot. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like this place? Yes, this place is very nice. What are you eating? I am eating a sandwich. Do you have a phone? Yes, I have a smartphone. What do you do in free time? I listen to music. Do you like reading books? Yes, I like reading books. Do you like English? Yes, I like English learning. What day is today? Today is Monday. What time is it now? It is 6 p.m. now. Are you hungry? Yes, I am a little hungry. Do you want water? Yes, I would like some water. What are you looking at? I am looking at my phone. Do you like sports? Yes, I like cricket. Where is your friend? He is at home. What are you thinking? I am thinking about my work. Do you drive a car? Yes, I drive a small car. Where is your house? My house is near the park. Do you like this movie? Yes, this movie is very interesting. What are you reading? I am reading a storybook. Do you like this song? Yes, this song is very nice. Where do you work? I work in an office. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. What is your plan today? I plan to study today. Do you like tea? Yes, I drink tea every morning. Where are you now? I am at my home. What are you watching? I am watching a video. Do you like learning new things? Yes, I like learning new things. What do you want? I want some water. Do you like this book? Yes, this book is very good. Where is your bag? My bag is on the table. What are you doing tomorrow? I will visit my friend. Do you like this idea? Yes, it is a good idea. Hi, how are you?